My name is Tom Turner. I live in Madisonville, Kentucky. Frontier Basement Systems is just about finished drying out our basement, which was terribly flooding. I have been extremely satisfied with the work they have done. Although they're not quite finished, I certainly have been able to observe the way they do their job and the results of them. My wife actually owns this house, and we discovered a few months ago that we had a tremendous water problem in the basement. And I believe that Frontier Basement Systems has taken care of that to our satisfaction.